Ever wonder what a day at Kidzonia looks like? Let's dive into a day of learning, creativity and fun at the premium International Kidzonia Preschool. From innovative teaching methods to engaging extracurricular activities, we ensure that every child's potential is nurtured. Our experienced teachers guide our students through a specially designed curriculum that is both engaging and interactive. At Kidzonia, we believe in nurturing young minds to grow into curious and creative thinkers. Our state-of-the-art facilities provide a safe and stimulating environment for our students to learn and play. What can parents expect from your staff? A team of passionate, highly qualified educators dedicated to fostering each child's potential. Admissions open. Visit to your nearest branch.